So we have one team which is in against the topic money can't buy happiness, and we have the other team, they are in favor that money can buy happiness. So who want to start first? Okay.
My honorable judges, I am Karthik Rawat from class 7 and I am with the side of favor. And I am come here to prove that money can buy happiness. Money isn't a paper, it's a tool that comes with three things: safety, security, last but not least, freedom. I'll give an example about health. Let's imagine you have a family, and in that family you have a sick child, and if you have money, you can buy the best doctor for that child. If your roof are leaking, you can buy the repair. Actually, money does not buy a thing or a repair or a doctor. It buys. It literally buys the end of a fear. Thank you. I don't get my speech. I come well from my team later in the debate. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Satik Rai from class 7. I am against this topic that money can buy happiness. Because when we have money, then as brother Karthik said, that we could buy the end of the fear and repair a leaking roof. But money also comes with some other problems, like the stress which is mostly held when you have a lot of money. Then the amount of stress you have to save it and do other things. If you don't have that much money, you can sleep peacefully that I don't have anything to be lost. So that's my point.
I am with Satvin is right. Money covers stress, but he is wrong somewhere. That we can erase stress using money. Just think, you want to do something, but you have many words. You can hear that word using money. You skip things that you hate. You use your free time to spend with your family. Is this stress? No, this is not. This is your time you spend with family, create golden memories. And that memories become very special after the time that goes. Money can't buy past, but it buy future.
Money can storm your financial status. Storm your financial status, but not your money can't buy your time, because time is not purchasable. If you don't spend your time with your family members and your loved ones, then you will be not happy.
Ma'am, how money can't buy time? Think, you are in a garden, sunshine, and you have 4 jobs to feed your family. You have 4 jobs to feed your family. Or if you have money, so you can buy your time. Like if you have money, how money can't buy time? Yes, money can buy time. If you have money, you can hire a maid, a driver. That you can't do that little work to waste your time. When you don't have money, you have to do 4 jobs like to feed your family. But if you have money, you can hire someone that can do some house little works, and you can spend all your time to enjoy your life and make some golden memories. Like you can play with your family, and you can go to a trip that heals your happiness, stress. And if you have money, I want to say that if you have money, you can spend time more than a normal person. There was a point that I want to say is in money. Maybe money is not a seed of happiness, but it is the soil that allows it to grow.
As brother Karthik said that his point was very, very strong. But I am going to introduce another thing. Money can buy what he said was happiness, but isn't that snatching happiness from some other person to give yourself? It is. Money can buy power, but happiness isn't about power. It is about how kind you are. You can be happy with anyone on the world whom you do like. But the snatch, the money only gives you the snatch happiness, and the snatch happiness isn't the real happiness. The real happiness comes with the with the patience that you have, and with the life you are taking.
But I have a question regarding this point. You said that money, you can't give happiness with someone that you snatch from someone, okay? But we are going to pay that person for to do our little course. So how can we snatch their happiness? We are paying them to do our little works.
Because happiness isn't all about money. It is about the time also. He can also the time also. If we don't give him money and we do our work, he could do his work and also spend his time with his family. But we are technically doing the thing which we have to do, and now he have to do it for us. But his time is also being wasting on the work that you think you are wasting on time. Then he is also wasting his time on that thing.
Okay.
Man, Satvik says we are snatching happiness from other. I have a very well example for that. Let's see, Bill Gates is a billionaire. If he don't have money, he can't donate vaccines. If you all know, Bill Gates, at the time Bill Gates donated very much vaccines to child who can't afford it. I think I already mentioned it already, but I want to mention it again. If you ask from those parents that money isn't buy happiness, or say you are snatching time from mother, that is correct? No, that's not. Let's see another example. Like I hire a maid for my work. I give her money, his time is as a Satvik, a point of Satvik. But I am saying if I don't hire him, he is jobless, and if he can't work, how can he earn money? How can she feed her family? Answer this up.
Example of India is one of the countries that have many people as middle class. They are enjoying their life without any restrictions. If one of our country, India, is Anand Ambani. He is the richest man from our country, but he have everything to do in his. He have several maids and workers for their daily works, but he don't have their mental peace.
His point of view was that if we are providing them, if we don't provide them the little jobs, then how can they survive? All of one are not equal to do the higher jobs. So their point of view is that if we are not providing them the jobs, then how can they manage? So you have to contradict that point.
My opponent team will say that money will create greed. But I said money creates freedom, because if you have the money, you can create your own autonomy, like can control over your own life. If you don't have money, if you have money, you can leave a toxic job, and if you have money, you can leave an abused relationship. If you have money, you can change. If you have money, there is of 12 hours you can focus on your passion. If you have money, you can change your life to a happy life, because if you are poor, you can't buy, like you can't go to a trade, you can't do anything, you can't buy like your daily uses things. So if you have money, you can buy everything and control over on your own life.
He had point, but agree his point. But if, for example, I'm alone for 4 to 8 years, so I stay for
Okay.
The money has been the main cause, the biggest cause of all the bad things and all the crimes happening in the society. If there is no money, then there is no need to do anything which is against the humans. But humans always want to suppress other humans for the sake of their money. There some people with high status always think that their life is more important than other lives. But the money isn't the permanent thing. It's just temporary. After your death, somebody else retrieves it. But the happiness can go through your entire life, and even when money keeps building up and can collapse, but the happiness once built in your heart that you want to be happy, then there's nothing which couldn't let you.
Ma'am, maybe love can make a house, a home, but the money keeps up the light, and he's running. There was a point I want to say that comparison is free, but impact costs money. Or if you have money, you can purchase or buy peace. If you have money, you have peace. A simple bad day cannot ruin your full day, a bad day. So I want to say that only thing.
Now I have a point that can end all of this. So I want to end. I ask him, and then I'm blindly asking for my opponent. Is he really against of that money can't buy happiness? Why he is studying? Why are you studying? Because you want a high-paying job in future. And tell me, if you got your first salary and you are sick, your parents are sick, and also your parents are sick, you pay for your parents or you pay for your friends' parents. We all know you pay for your parents. As your opinion, that was happiness for you, but at your friend happiness, that was nothing. So what is the point of your all of these? Tell me. This point I want to say last time, and then after I end all of this. You have a house. If happiness was the house, money was the bricks. You have a pile of bricks without the house, but you can't never have a house without the bricks. Thank you.